In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of them, click on Remove icon next to the chosen one. Make sure that this switcher is blue for all of your contacts to be visible on the locked screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!